Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning my master bedroom. I just want to tidy that area up a little bit. And I'm going to clean the kitchen because y'all know your girl just got finished cleaning it, cooking breakfast, and the kids just finished homeschool. And so I'm going to get those two areas cleaned up. And I'm also going to shampoo the carpets in my master bedroom. At first, we were just going to focus on like the high traffic areas. But I think today we're just going to do the master bedroom and see how that works out for us. So if y'all are ready, let's get started.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
So before we get into this video, I want to let you know that it is a collab with 4 other beautiful YouTube moms. And the first is Jennifer from I Love Lunches. She is a wife and mother of 2. And on her channel, you will find ideas for not only lunches, but breakfast and dinner as well. And she does cleaning motivation and shop with me videos also. Next is Kristen L, and she is also a wife and mother of 2. And on her channel, you will find tons of cleaning motivation, cooking, organizing, and decorating videos. And last but definitely not least, there's Jennifer and Lindsay from 2 Moms Same Hood, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are 2 moms, same hood, 2 neighborhood mama friends raising 5s with our tribes.
That's right, and I'm Jen, a homeschool mama of 5. I have an 8-year-old, 5-year-old, 3-year-old, and 1-year-old twins. I'm a hippie at heart. I love me some Jesus, all things fashion and beauty, and love to be outdoors.
I'm Linz. I have 3 beautiful daughters, ages 14, 10, and 4. I became a mom at 20. I was married at 21, all while finishing up my degree. I'm a teacher part-time, and I love to cook. I love home decor, all things fashion, beauty related as well.
We make videos, we make day in the life videos, including mom hacks and tips, affordable beauty and fashion, homeschooling, and much more.
Our vision is to build a community of moms where we can inspire, encourage, and uplift each other throughout this crazy journey we call motherhood. So please hit that subscribe button, it's free, and come join our hood.
Yeah, come join us.
Okay, y'all, so when you are done here, please head over to their channels and show them some love and subscribe, and tell them that Tiffany sent you, and I will have the link to the playlist in the description box below. And if you are here from either one of these beautiful ladies' channels, welcome. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So I'm going to finish making up the bed, and then I'm going to dust and prepare to shampoo the carpets. So we're not going to remove the nightstands or dressers because we didn't have a lot of time. My husband had to go to work, and we really just wanted to see how well it worked. And the first thing that we have to do before cleaning the carpets is vacuum. So we purchased this Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner, and we got it from Walmart back in March for $88, and I will try to link it below. If not, you can pick it up at your neighborhood Walmart, or you can just go to walmart.com and purchase it there. So here I'm just showing you what the carpet looks like before we start. This is an area that really needed to be worked on. So the direction says to fill the container with water to the water fill line, and then add the liquid cleaner. And since the cleaner is highly concentrated, we didn't have to use much.
I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be set. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go, but I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
And just when you think your carpets are clean, look at how dirty the water was from just that one area.
I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a voice.
And now we're going to tackle the area between the bed and the sitting area.
I found my true home. I just don't know. I just don't know if I'm.
So I wanted to show y'all the difference between this side and that side. We're gonna have to go over it again, but just him going over it that one time, you can see the difference. We ran out of water, so he went to go fill it back up. But yeah, you can really see. Trying to make sure y'all can see the difference in the two. Like I said, we got to go over that again, but just look at the difference between those two. So I'm pretty pleased with the results that we're getting.
Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you want to.
And now he's gonna go back over and suck up all of the excess water. So this is what the carpets look like once he was done. I'm just gonna let it continue to dry while I get the kitchen cleaned. So I normally would have gotten the kitchen cleaned first, but I knew we were gonna clean the carpet, and we decided to work on our bedroom first. This way the carpet would have time to dry while I cleaned the kitchen.
looking for your touch again. Maybe it will come a sunny day, a day when I forget you. Out of my, out of my mind, out of my, out of my, out of my mind. Even though I want to, I can't seem to get you. Out of my, out of my mind, out of my, out of my, out of my mind. Even though I want you, I can't seem to get you. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I didn't have to say about you. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I didn't have to say about you. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I didn't have to sing about you. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I did. Yeah, wish I didn't.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away, maybe for the better. So tell me something true. Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had. Will you miss my love? Will you miss me and my love, my love, my love? When I see you again, I wanna show you how I loved you. You were my one true friend, and I cherish every moment wanna waste your time. I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart, and I'm losing you. I'm losing you.
Okay, y'all, so this is what the floor is looking like after it dried. I went back over it with the vacuum. And I can really tell the difference. Because in that area there was a really, really dark stain. And that's gone. The sun is getting in the way. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Come back on this side. And this is like a really, like a high traffic area going into like the bathroom. And this area was really, really bad. And it got all of that up. So it's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything back.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near.
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell before you go. And also, please don't forget the ladies in this collab. Head on over to their channels and show them lots of love. I will make sure to have the link to their channels in the description box below. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.